Welcome to the EdbMails MBOX to Office 365 Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails MBOX to Office 365 Migrator offers a straightforward way to migrate data from offline MBOX files directly to Office 365. Whether your MBOX files are extracted from email clients like Thunderbird, Apple Mail, etc., EdbMails ensures a smooth migration of emails and attachments, while preserving the original structure and metadata. Its user-friendly interface simplifies the migration process, making it reliable and efficient for businesses of all sizes. EdbMails allows you to preview MBOX file contents before the migration operation. The software leverages advanced security features such as SSL/TLS encryption, OAuth 2.0, and multi-factor authentication. Compliant with industry standards like ISO, GDPR, and HIPAA, EdbMails guarantees a secure environment for migrating MBOX files, regardless of their source, to Office 365. Let's explore the step-by-step procedure for migrating MBOX files to Office 365 with EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select MBOX Export and Migration. Select MBOX to Office 365. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click on Add Files. Select MBOX Files. Click Open. Click Next to continue. Click any files to preview all the items. Select the files that you wish to migrate. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Office 365. Select the required connection method. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account.
Click Sign In.
Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option.
Click Continue.
EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. Click Start Migration. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Logs button to get the migration report. That's it for a hassle-free MBOX to Office 365 migration. Visit edbmails.com today.